So this is a 2017 Jeep Compass. Camshaft position center circuit. So let's see what we can do about that. All right, start the car. All right guys, so this is what we're gonna need for this job. Obviously, new plug, eraser to cut the cables, the tape off the cables where it cutters, cable splicing kit, and shrinking tubes. I'm gonna make a clean job. We don't have to do with this, so we don't have to deal with this again. So the camshaft sensor is down here. These don't usually go bad on this cars, but they do have an issue with this cable right here. Excess heat from the engine starts messing with it. We already tried to do a quick fix before. It didn't work, so we got a new cable. We're gonna splice it into the sensor. As you could tell, some humidity got in there. Reservoir tank has a little spill, so when it's pressurized, it steams out stuff, which I want to change that in a bit. But I think the humidity from there, plus the heat of the engine bay, is not sitting well for this plug. You can see the cables already bare. So I'm fairly sure that's what the problem is. Let's get it. I'm gonna remove this bracket to give me some room to work. So that's the new plug coming in. Just splice it in. Just make sure it fits. Perfect. So black to blue. Yellow to black and red. And green to yellow. Now if I forget that, I'll just go back on the video and watch it again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to splice it one by one. That way I don't lose track. I don't smoke, guys, so I had to improvise. All right, before I tuck everything in, just make sure it works. That's some wax. I was using a candle to shrink those. Okay. Excellent. I'm going to raise the coach and drive it around for a bit. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful or you liked the video. Thank you for watching.